Please stand for the presentation of colors presented by Central Campus JROTC program. Everyone, please join me with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Hoover High School graduation celebrating the class of 2019. It's an honor for me to welcome the parents, students, family members, and guests here today. As we begin, I would like to recognize these important people. Parents and families of the class of 2019, would you please stand? It is because of your support, it is because of your love that your students are sitting in front of us today. Thank you for all you have done in your partnership with Hoover High School. Hoover teachers and support staff, please stand. Thank you to all of you for your dedication to the students, Hoover community, and your commitment to excellence. Please give these people one last round of applause. They've earned it. I would also like to introduce our special guests that are on stage today. Our superintendent, Dr. Thomas Ahart, school board member Heather Anderson, vice principal Jamie Badger, school improvement leaders Stephanie Nugent and Christy Donald, and language arts teacher Nick Jackson. As I was preparing for today and the welcome, I was pondering what bit of advice could I bestow upon all of you that you would remember forever, something full of wisdom that would resonate with you all. But then I started talking to all of my former students that I had, and I asked them, what do you remember about your commencement ceremony? Most of them took great pause at this, and not one could remember a specific phrase or guidance that was given to them. When asked what they did remember, the answer came really easy. They remembered how they felt. They remembered being nervous, anxious, happy, excited, hopeful, and even a little sad as they lined up in the Bell Center waiting to come in to graduate. They felt excited about the friend that was going to give their commencement address. They felt small when they walked into the Knapp Center and they saw all of their family and friends. Each person that I talked to still remembered how they felt on this day. So one thing I can guarantee is for years from now, you're not going to remember much of the advice that people give you. But what I do guarantee is you will remember how you feel. You'll remember how you feel about certain teachers. You're going to remember how you felt when Miss Baugh made you laugh or she did her little dance like she always does. You're going to remember how you felt when Miss Lloyd said, "I believe in you." You're going to remember how you felt when Coach Salazar or Coach Means pushed you to be a better student and a better athlete. You're going to remember all those late night practices with Miss Griffin, and remember how it felt when that first night of opening rehearsal or play was awesome. You're still going to remember how it felt to win that championship or that #1 rating. And you're still going to remember how it felt to lose to the sophomore class the spirit stick. Sorry. Today, it's not what I'm going to say. Today is about the feeling of joy and happiness and hope that you feel, and I hope you remember for a long time, because you've earned it, class of 2019. Congratulations. Right now, it's my pleasure to introduce Tam Cow. She is your speaker for today. Tam is the daughter of Sun Cow and Thu Lee. She's participated in the Interact Club, Upward Bound, and Spirit Crew. She's earned varsity letters in tennis and cheerleading. Along with those being involved in extracurricular activities, her excellence in the classroom has earned her academic letters, and she is an active member of the National Honor Society. Tam is passionate about helping others, and she desires to change the community around her. She's been recognized by the Optimist Club of Des Moines for her generous and unselfish contributions to society. At school, her passion for helping others can be witnessed in the work that she does. Miss Ochoa, one of Tam's teachers, said of her, "Tam has not only inspired me to be a better teacher, but also inspired other students to get involved and be part of the Hoover community." When Tam was asked, "What are your best memories about Hoover?" she said it was the participation in clubs and extracurricular activities are the things she'll never forget. Following graduation, she's going to attend Grandview University, majoring in biology. Ladies and gentlemen, Tam Cow.
Good afternoon and welcome, family, faculty, friends, and fellow graduates. I am honored to be speaking in front of you on such a special day like today. Well, congratulations, we made it. My fellow graduates, have you ever had a dream for your future that you feared you could not make it happen? Have you ever given up on your dream or forgotten who you want to be because of others' people's expectations? Have those expectations ever made you felt like you were not good enough? If so, or if you ever have that moment in your future, I hope that after hearing my story, you will have a new perspective on people's expectations. I came to America when I was 16. Before I arrived, I didn't know any English, except my name is Tam. I could not communicate with others. And for the first time in my life, I noticed that my classmates started treating me differently. Most avoided me, some bullied me. No one wanted to be my partner when we was working as a pair. They laughed at my broken English and expected that I could not do well in school because I could not speak English. This took place not only in class, but also outside of my classroom. In my sophomore year, I had a strong desire to become a cheerleader and was so excited to try out for it. However, people put me down. They say that I should not try out for it because I would not make the team. They believed this for only one reason, and that reason was because I could not speak English. Both of this time, people's expectation was that I could not do it. At that moment, everything to me seemed pointless and hopeless. It was the dark period of my life where everything appeared to be impossible. I had to fight between my mind and my heart. My mind told me to give up, but my heart told me to follow my dreams. I chose to follow my heart, because if I give up, then it would be a meaning that I was not capable of achieving my dreams. I stopped listening to others' people's expectations. I took those expectations and turned it into my motivation for me to try harder. I put a lot of effort and determination into improving my English and my cheerleading skills. And guess what? I finally made the cheerleading squad and became a cheerleader. And today, a girl that did not know English at first is standing here giving a speech in her new language on her graduation day. I'm sharing my story with you all today because I know that in each one of us, we all have the desire to do something, to become someone. But we may be held back by others' people's expectations. Sometimes we let those expectations limit on our own thinking. But believe me, they're all wrong. Humans, we have no limit on success. You just have to go beyond the limit that others have for you, exceed others' people's expectation. Then believe in yourself, believe in your ability to fulfill your dreams and your passion. After that, try the best that you can to make your dream come true. Then use that success to help you build up a new expectation for yourself, because now you know that nothing is impossible to you. I overcame people's expectations. I overcame my darkest time to reach my dreams. If I can do it, so you can do it too. Classmates, today we're reflecting over the memories we had at Hoover High School. We walked in the same hall for the past 4 years and down this aisle today as a whole. But after today, we all have our own life to pursue and our own dreams to be with. There will be struggle along the way, but remember the memories we all made together, and remember that no matter where we go, we are forever a Husky family. As our class motto said, together we have experienced life. Separately, we will pursue our dreams. Forever, our memories will remain. And today, I want to say thank you to all our teachers and counselors who come to school early in the morning or stay late after school to prepare a lesson so we could have an amazing learning opportunities. Because of you, we all ending up in caps and gowns today. Especially, I want to give a special thanks to my ESL teachers who put all of their love and compassion into their work to help us from the first day of school after coming to America. Because of you, a student like me had a quality education. You influence us to move forward in our education. You give me an extra help and support so I could stand here to make my dream come true. I honestly believe that without all of you, we could not become who we are today. I would also like to acknowledge our families. There are no better words to say than thank you. Thank you for raising us. Thank you for taking care and supporting us over the years. Thank you for always being there and being ready to lend a hand whenever we needed you. And today, everyone is clapping, exciting, and congratulating us for graduating high school. But it is our family. They should also be congratulated because they sacrificed everything for us. I want to say thank you for teaching us the values of life. And to my family, ông bà, ba mẹ, dì và anh chị, con cảm ơn mọi người đã luôn hy sinh, ủng hộ và đồng hành cùng với con để con có được như ngày hôm nay. Nhà mình hãy vẫn cứ tiếp tục cùng nhau cố gắng và đồng hành cùng với nhau nhé. Con cảm ơn mọi người và con yêu mọi người. Before I ending up my speech, I hope that after this ceremony, you will believe in yourself, have faith in your ability to exceed other people's expectations. Follow your heart and chase your dreams, holding on the amazing and sweet memory we all made together, and do not let anyone put you down, because everything in your life is possible, and because you are the master of your own destiny. Thank you, and congratulations, class of 2019.
At this time, seniors who are performing with the band, choir, orchestra, please join your peers. Thank you to the students and parents for your dedication to these programs. Now please enjoy the Hoover Band, Choir, and Orchestra as they perform America the Beautiful.
Thank you for that performance. I'm here to present the Jane Henches Award. When former Hoover student Jane Renee Henches died from injuries she received in a horseback riding accident in 1972, Her parents chose to honor her ideals of service when they established the Jane Hentges Humanitarian Award. The award contains a quotation from Ulysses by Alfred Lord Tennyson. It reads, "I am a part of all that I have met." Every year, the English and Social Studies departments collaborate to recognize a Hoover senior who best exemplifies these ideals through his or her humble and sensitive service to mankind. This year's award goes to a student who clearly demonstrates this humanitarian ideal through her ability to overcome obstacles and her dedication to promoting the best of others within the Hoover community. She has served with National Honor Society, Spirit Crew, Yearbook, newspaper, and Student Council. When asked about this student, Ms. Stockton said the following: "This student is a positive force. It is impossible to be in a bad mood when this student is in your group. She is very encouraging and will greet you with a smile every single time. She truly wants you to do your best, and it isn't merely so she will do well. I have known her for 3 years, and while I know she has been stressed, I have never seen her in a bad mood or seen her unwilling to stop what she is doing to help someone else." Mrs. Hamilton expressed how this student is the perfect representation of Hoover Publications. She said this student serves as a role model to other staff members, always willing to mentor or help in any possible way. Mrs. Hamilton said, "I always knew I could count on her to help with whatever we needed done, especially taking pictures. Plus, she always has unique story ideas and perspectives to share. I'm so proud of everything she has accomplished." Mrs. Critelli says that this student is a remarkable leader in a school and in her own Latino community. Both years that she was involved with the Global Gala, she gave outstanding performances. She also did everything she could to inform her community and encourage them to take part. Her positivity is outstanding, and she has a contagious and kind heart. The perfect example is when Mrs. Critelli found out that she was running with a special needs student daily to coach her in cross country and wasn't even going to ask if she could use it for silver cord hours. Although life has thrown up many barriers out of her control, she persists. This year's recipient has truly become a part of all that she has met. It is with great honor that we recognize this year's award winner, Ana Marquez Caballero.
At this time, I would like to introduce our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Tom Ahart.
Good afternoon. Des Moines Public Schools exist so that students graduate with the knowledge, skills, and abilities to be successful at the next stage of their lives. That 13-year journey is supported by thousands of staff members throughout our district, many of whom are with us here today. If you work for Des Moines Public Schools, please stand. And I would ask the rest of us to join me in recognizing the team that supports our students from preschool through graduation day. Thank you. And now, on behalf of Administrator Sherry Poole, the district staff, the community of Des Moines, and the teachers at Hoover High School, I am honored to confirm that the members of the Hoover High School class of 2019 have met the requirements established by the state of Iowa and our Board of Education and have demonstrated all the qualifications to receive a certificate of graduation from the Des Moines Public Schools. Esteemed School Board Director Heather Anderson, as superintendent, I proudly commend to you for the presentation of diplomas the Hoover High School class of 2019.
All right, by the power vested in me by the Des Moines Public School Board of Education and the state of Iowa, I hereby accept Dr. Ahart's recommendation and confer upon you a high school diploma with all the rights, privileges, and obligations Members of the Hoover High School graduating class of 2019, let me be the first to welcome you to the community of learned scholars. Congratulations. And to the family and friends who are here today, we ask that you be respectful of each of our graduates today. Please honor your graduate in a manner so as to not interfere with the reading of all of the graduates' names. Ushers, please bring forward the class of 2019.
Abdirahman Abdi. Blessing Ajay. Muaid Ali. Rylan Anderson. Asha Andreas. Mukti Bajgai. Morgan Baker. T. Ban. Damien Bayo. Sandra Bayo. Carly Benson. Mariah Balber. Robert Bodiroga. Jacqueline Bolter. Tori Brazel. Noah Breitsprecher. Jathan Brooks. John Tierra Brown. Rhiannon Brown. Alice Bunya. Lenita Bergs. Caitlin Burns. Natalie Burns. Najan Caldwell. Tavon Campbell. Tam Cow. Loida Carmenat Vasquez. Joshua Carmenate. Traster Carter. Eric Castillo Quinteros. Von Q. William Chai. Parman Chul. Ashley Colleen. Debbie Crespo Romero. Dalton Davis. Laurel Dean. Rebecca Deng. Safi Dennis. Kayla Dewey. Nybal Dew. Koya Dija. Asel Eid. Julian Elizondo. Charles Ellis. Leon Espinoza. Tyler Etheridge. Uezo Fenis. Ashley Fletchall. Connor Flynn. Malongar Fode. Madeline Freeman Grossland. Kayla Gablemius Soriano. Daniel Gallardo. Sebastian Gary. Jose Garcia, Maria Gasco Granados, Elida Gayton Alvarez, Jacob Green, Jonay Gresham, Ruby Griffin, Eman Hagos, Nu Hashmutala III, Shayla Hauge, Ariana Hayes, Majinda Hayner, Tlani Henry, German Hernandez, Kendra Hernandez Balboa, Juana Hernandez Canseco, Alex Hernandez Cruz, no S, Ian Hollingworth, Ye Ta, K2, Se2, Victoria 2, Randy Wynn, Sumaya Ibrahim, Adam Jackson Jr., Cameron Jackson, Secret Johnson, Pu K, Dino Kopich, Selena Kelly, Lal Kima, Quillen Kirkpatrick, Justin Koromo, Mabel Koo, Noah Kryling, Irene Cooney, Kwa Kwa, Aiden Lebreche, Grace Lindberg, Vu Lo, Colby Long, Sophia Lopez, Jesselina Loti, Destiny Lottie, Juan Lucas Luna, An Lu, Tan Lu, Tina Lu, Woselta Mabia, Adam Madison, Francis Jim Malyari, Yaritza Marquez, Ana Marquez Caballero, Elise Marshall, Stephanie Martinez Melo, Nadia Marzek, Rachel Math, Isaac McGuffin, Bei May, Bei May, no, Bo May, sorry, Boo May, Shay May, Lou May, U May, So May, Juan Melo, Mishak Wilson, Wendy Mida, Jalen Miles, Araceli Myron Ocampo. Mary Mo. T. Mo. Hassan Mohammed. Tongue didn't want to work. Marmu. Maxwell Mum. Christian Mullen. Emily Murphy. Hannah Murphy. Janeth Navarez. Ong Ong Na. Annie Nguyen. Dana Nguyen. Hiep Nguyen. Quinn Nguyen. Sylvia Nguyen. Abigail Nolte. Rodney Norris. Eric Nuzwe Namana. Ashlyn Ojo. Ethan Olson. Cheyenne Pacheco. Tylin Patrick. Se Pa. Isla Pjanic. E Po. Hannah Portinga. Olivia Proctor. Kenny Quinn Jr. Jordan Redeker. Sophie Reese. Bo Ray. Ko Ray. Ta Ray. Andrew Reiner. Brennan Rhodes. Bryce Rhodes. Ethan Royland. Ryan Romero. Vina Joyce Roque. Jetlanetsi Rosales Roca. Kaylin Rowland. Andrew Ruckel. Lucas Rush. Stefan Rushing. Jashiran Saab. Lena Sakabu. Ring San. Dede Se. Aaliyah Scott. Jacob Scroggins. Shigo Shaden. Amani Shalabi. Jade Sharp. Austin Sharon. Riley Singletary. Layla Sizic. Gustavo Smith. Jeffrey Smith Jr. Haido So. Evan Stolke. Diamond Stone. Jayshawn Sturgeon. Gifty Sua. Isabel Sullivan. Lydia Swanson. Hannah Talcott. Elaine Temple. Hong Tong. Kine Tyne. Joshua Thomas, Sa T, Bridget Toothman, Jordan Torres, Jose Torres Noriega, Kenny Tran, Hosea Treadwell, Trong, Alexis Tercios, Ashley Van Zee, Salima Vezovic, Joey Walling, Hannah Warren, Alexis Waters Wright, Michaela Williams, Monet Woods, Zane Yaman, Noon Z, Salutatorian Lao Zwali, Josu Chiguera, Brian Banks Jr., Hung Lee, Gabby Picasso, Class of 2019, may this be one of many victories for you.
Graduates, please stand. Now is the time to move your tassels from the right to the left. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present Hoover High School's graduating class of 2019.